Hello everyone, my name is Raj Parikh and today I will be showing you a healthy vegan friendly pudding recipe that you will love. This recipe is called banana chia pudding. The main ingredients in this recipe are bananas, chia seeds, and almond milk. Health benefits of chia seeds. Chia seeds contain polyunsaturated fat, which decreases heart related problems, fiber, which lowers blood sugar, cholesterol, and helps your digestion. Calcium, which keeps strong bones and muscles. Protein, which maintains your cells and keeps strong bones and muscles. Zinc, which increases your immune system. Health benefits of bananas. Bananas contain vitamin B6, which increases your immune system and helps your brain. Fiber, which decreases blood sugar, cholesterol, and helps your digestion. Potassium, which helps your nerves and muscles. And magnesium, which keeps strong bones, lowers blood pressure, blood sugar, and helps your nerve functions. Health benefits of almond milk. Almond milk contains vitamin E, which helps your immune system, monounsaturated fat, which maintains good cholesterol, fiber, which decreases blood sugar, cholesterol, and helps your digestion, biotin, which breaks down fats, carbohydrates, and proteins, calcium, which keeps strong bones and muscles, and magnesium, which keeps strong bones, decreases blood sugar, blood pressure, and helps your nerve functions. In this recipe, there will be 2 servings. Each serving is 8 ounces. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 3 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1 cup of almond milk, and 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. This is optional. The recipe: 1. Find a glass container that you can refrigerate. 2. Mash the banana until it turns into semi-liquid form. 3. Add 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. 4. Add 1 cup of almond milk. 5. Mix it up. 6. Refrigerate the pudding overnight. 7. Add any nuts or fruits on top that you prefer. 8. Enjoy. To make it, gather your ingredients: 3 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1 cup of almond milk, and 1 whole banana. Next, mash the banana until it becomes into a semi-liquid form. Now mix all the ingredients. You can refrigerate the pudding overnight, then the pudding is ready. Now you can enjoy it. You can add any healthy toppings such as fruits and nuts. These are the references, and thank you for listening to my video. I hope you like my recipe.